Good to see you all again at Wealthy Coins. HIB forces, get ready to become rich shortly since December will make us millionaires. SHIB events the previous 5 months have not been good for Shiba Inu as the value of the token has been falling at a rapid pace. Reduced burn volume, which supported the SHIB's market recovery, was a major contributor to the issue. At long last, things are looking up. Shibarmy reports a dramatic spike in the network's burn rate. SHIB has witnessed one of the most notable spikes in burns in the last several weeks, with the recent data showing a 9100% increase in burns in only the last 24 hours. The Shibarmy is the topic of discussion in this video. We will become rich in December. Prepare to become wealthy very soon. The latest updates on Shiba. To keep up with our newest content on Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Let's get the video started. The largest contributor to the quantity of Shiba Inu burned in the last 24 hours was the burn address ending in 3963D, which removed nearly 5 million tokens from network circulation, despite a dramatic increase in burn volume. As a percentage, the market remained unaffected. The 21-day moving average shows that the Shiba Inu price has been consistently slipping below the level of local resistance. The widespread abandoning of retail wallets in the digital asset business and the subsequent large flight of capital from the cryptocurrency market are the main causes of the price decline. Since the beginning of the year, traders and investors have been quickly liquidating their holdings, with high-risk assets such as when it came to digital investment instruments, Shiba Inus were among the first to go. Beneath the crucial psychological barrier of $0.00001, the price of SHIB tokens has been steadily declining due to the oversupply, and the amount of burn tokens that are now available is not enough to address the problem. At this time, Shiba Inu is considered to be one of the most valuable cryptocurrencies available. Stake payouts are available to all investors in Shiba Inu, unlike many other coins. Staking SHIB tokens under the Berry option is all that's needed for crypto users to earn the investor title after purchasing them on the Shiba Swap marketplace. Investors can relax after that because they no longer have to actively participate in riskier market coins to generate passive income. The investor can avoid dealing with coins that aren't as secure as Shiba Inu by enabling the staking features. In addition to SHIB tokens, investors can also purchase the coin's secondary tokens such as leash and bone using the same procedure. In addition to the passive income opportunity, investors can cast votes on Shiba Inu platform decisions using bone. By include investors in the decision-making process, Shiba Inu fosters an inclusive environment where everyone's opinions are valued. And further selling point in the cryptocurrency market is that it prioritizes investor needs. Crypto.com has published an audited proof of reserves page demonstrating that the exchange possesses sufficient cryptocurrency assets to cover its client liabilities, as stated on the exchange's website on December 9th. Withdrawals at Crypto.com require 102% USD coin, 101% Ether, and 102% Bitcoin, according to the updated page. Additionally, the report covers Decentraland's Mana, both of which have reserves exceeding 100%. Dogecoin, more often known as Doge, fell 3.63% on December 11th. After falling 0.52% on Saturday, Doge fell 10.94% to $0.0928 by the conclusion of the week. Doge has now gone 4 sessions in a row without breaking the $0.10 mark. Doge had an upbeat beginning to the day, reaching a high of $0.0972 in the early morning before encountering R1, the first significant resistance level at that price. Finally, Doge hit a low of $0.0916. The price of Doge dropped below $0.0928 after it failed to break through the day's key support levels. After losing 0.54% on Saturday, SHIB lost 2.56% for the week, closing at $0.000000912 USD. Nevertheless, SHIB completed the day at $0.000000912, finding support at the second major support level, or S2, which is located at $0.00000000000. After SHIB's full recovery, S1 pegged it back. Doge and SHIB were trading at negative levels this morning, continuing a downward trend that began over the weekend. Investors were taxed over the weekend and into the morning by market anxiety about the imminent Federal Reserve interest rate announcement. All eyes will be on tomorrow's U.S. CPI report after a positive U.S. jobs report and ISM non-manufacturing PMI survey. Bets on a December Fed turn could be slashed if inflation statistics come in hotter than expected. The U.S. wholesale inflation numbers released on Friday proved that. Despite a little softening, inflationary pressures are expected to persist, potentially giving the Fed hawks the upper hand. News of strange behavior on Binance has added to the negative sentiment. According to Binance's report, everything seemed to be running smoothly. But after the FTX crash, investors were already on edge due to the Binance news. Trust has already been eroded, and now comes the latest news. No U.S. economic statistics are available for consideration at this time. The Consumer Price Index report due out on Tuesday. Twitter and Elon Musk have the power to turn Doge and SHIB around. Doge has been struggling since the news broke that Twitter was intending to issue its own coin. It would be greatly appreciated if Twitter could confirm that Doge is now part of the Twitter payment platform. The price of SHIB dropped 3.07% to $0.0000884 USD. The SHIB price dropped from its morning high of $0.0000912 to its morning low of $0.00000000843, indicating a negative start to the day. SHIB retreated below today's key support levels before regaining ground around $0.000000872, the third such level. In order to reach the first significant goal at $0.000000925 and the Sunday high at $0.000000009, SHIB must first break through S2 and S1, as well as the $0.0000006 pivot. The afternoon session would be bullish if the price returned to $0.000000920, but the whole cryptocurrency market and the Nasdaq index will probably serve as SHIB's guides. The second significant resistance level R2 around $0.000000938 would probably be tested by SHIB in the event of a prolonged rise. R3, the third significant resistance level, is at $0.000000000 USD. If the price doesn't break out of the triangle formed by S2, S1, and the pivot, the third key support level S3 at $0.000000072 will be considered. With SHIB's position below the 50-day EMA, which is currently at $0.0000923, the EMAs are sending a bearish signal. There was a retracement of the 100-day and 200-day exponential moving averages this morning, with the 50-day EMA falling below both. The indications were negative. Once we break over S2, S1, and the 50-day EMA, we can break out of R1 and the 100-day EMA, which will lead us to R2. But SHIB would be under pressure if it couldn't break through the 50-day exponential moving average. Predictions for the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency price indicate that it is now consolidating inside a descending triangle pattern on the daily chart. Even if SHIB cryptocurrency is trading below the 50, 100, and 200-day EMAs, it is still above the 20 EMA. With a rise of 0.22% intraday, the pair of SHIB and BTC is now trading at $0.00000000000000054 BTC. Shiba Inu price forecasts show that the token is now trading inside a falling triangle on the daily chart. To break out of its current price range and into the daily chart, the SHIB currency must first climb out of its current emerges from the falling triangle pattern. The Shiba Inu pricing had thrilling ups and downs throughout the course of the day. At first, it became caught in the consolidation stage after failing to escape the descending triangular pattern. The token managed to break out of the consolidation phase following its recovery, but it was subsequently entangled in the falling triangle pattern again. In order for the Shiba Inu token to begin its recovery phase, the price must break out of the falling triangle pattern and see an influx of new purchasers during intraday trading. So concludes today's activities. If you enjoyed this and want to see more, subscribe to the